If you're experiencing FPS drops while playing EA 25, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to enhance your performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game menu. Reducing options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing can help improve frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize game mode. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, enable game mode. This feature prioritizes gaming resources and can help reduce lag and improve FPS during gameplay. Step 5. Check system requirements. Make sure your system meets or exceeds the game's minimum requirements. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM or the graphics card. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing EA 25. Enjoy your gaming experience.